Hello cute babies, today learn alphabet with different word making. Parrot green color, yellow color, blue color, purple color, white color, orange color, sky blue color, grey color, black color, light pink color, brown color, red color, pink color, green color. A for arm, ARM, arm. B for boy, BOY, boy. C for coat, COAT, coat. D for dress, DRESS, dress. E for eraser, ERASER, eraser. F for fruit, FRUIT, fruit. G for goat, GOAT, goat. H for hat, HAT, hat. I for igloo, IGLOO, igloo. J for jackal, JACKAL, jackal. K for key, KEY, key. L for lily, LILY, lily. M for milk, MILK, milk. N for net, NET, net. O for ostrich, OSTRICH, ostrich. P for pigeon, PIGEON, pigeon. Q for QA, QUAY, QA. R for ready, READY, ready. S for shop, SHOP, shop. T for tail, TAIL, tail. U for Uranus, URANUS, Uranus. V for valley, VALLY, valley. W for wand, WAND, wand. X for Gymnia, XIMENIA, Gymnia. Y for yarn, YARN, yarn. Z for Genia, ZINNIA, Genia. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.